You can launch a professional web design agency today without ever writing a single line of code yourself. Right now in your city, local businesses like bakeries and plumbers are losing customers because they either don't have a website or have one that looks 20 years old. They know they need a modern digital storefront, but they often lack the $10,000 budget required by traditional firms. You can provide the solution by combining two specific tools. We'll use ChatGPT to generate the website code and a platform called SiteDrop to publish those files instantly to the public internet. Because this workflow removes technical hurdles like managing servers and configuring hosting environments, the barrier to entry disappears. Anyone with a web browser can now build a digital product, deliver it to a client, and start collecting payments. Step 1. The build. Start with a blank ChatGPT window. For this example, let's look at a client like Sweet Rose Bakery. You'll type in a prompt asking for a modern website built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. To make sure the site is fully functional, be specific about the structure. Ensure your prompt explicitly asks for 3 standard components: a home page, an about page, and a contact page. Once you hit enter, the AI rapidly generates all the raw structural and styling code for those web pages. Now, pay close attention here. Avoid the temptation to manually highlight, copy, and paste all those loose code snippets into a text editor. Instead, give the AI one final, specific command. Package this as a downloadable zip file. This command forces the AI to compile the code into a single, neat package. When opened, you'll see the index.html, style, and script documents. The zip command turns the text in your chat window into a functional folder that your computer and the internet actually understands. Step 2. Deployment. Navigate over to SiteDrop.live, set up a free account, and open your Launchpad dashboard. Take that zip file you just downloaded from ChatGPT and drag it directly into the central upload box. As long as your project is under the 50 megabyte limit, the upload processes almost instantly. Next, type in the business name to claim a free .sitedrop.co web address for your client. Finally, click the Launch Website button to push those local files directly to the public internet. From dragging your local file to having a live web page, the entire sequence takes less than 60 seconds. SiteDrop also automatically provisions HTTPS encryption in the background, ensuring visitors see a secure padlock without you having to configure any complex certificates. By stripping away the need for GitHub repositories and command line tools, SiteDrop turns what used to be a frustrating engineering task into a simple file transfer. Step 3. Handoff. You now have a functional, shareable URL. Because you built this in minutes, you can text or email that live link directly to the bakery owner as a free mockup. Let them see it on their own phone. Once the client approves the design and agrees to pay, you simply upgrade your account to a SiteDrop Starter or Studio plan. That upgrade unlocks the ability to attach a professional, custom.com domain to the project before you make the final handoff. The client pays you a standard project fee and a monthly retainer for maintenance, while your own infrastructure costs remain fixed at just a few pounds. Your client isn't paying for the AI prompts or the hosting setup. They're paying for a finished professional web presence. You deliver that product while keeping your overhead to a minimum, allowing you to keep the vast majority of the revenue. In roughly 5 minutes, you just generated a complete bakery website, packaged the code, and securely published it live to the world. This interface is your central command center. As your agency grows, you can track total monthly views and manage multiple client sites simultaneously from this single dashboard. If you want to start building right now, head over to SiteDrop.live and launch your first client site for free. AI has made the code itself accessible. The real work is taking those files and making them live for a local business owner who doesn't have the time to do it themselves.